I got my diss sucked.
I had a dream that that this kid that I was one-to-oneing like last week, so like helping because he has special needs. I was his one-to-one at the secondary school that we're at, and he beat up my ex-boyfriend and called him the F-slur because he was mean to me, and then he bit him, and I had to like tell him off, but it was really funny. This didn't happen in real life, and I don't condone beating people up, but it's the way it happened, because in my dream the way it happened, it was like an action shot, like it was like slow-mo, and just think like that happening to anyone would make me laugh. I'm not talking about the particular person.
We don't condone the use of the F.
Oh no, yeah, don't do that.
Stop! I thought that squeaked a lot more for you than it did for me.
Shut up. I think I'm starting to like the woods. We're going back to school on Monday. Do I look fire?
Yes.
Okay, it's because walking backwards right now.
Ow. She got away. She got away. To the world.
It's not good to hate on people. It's not nice to say ew to people when you see a picture of them. And it's not nice to spread misinformation about people. Stay true to yourself. Stop being a sheep. And live, laugh, love.